Now for DLC I have taken 4 slide and 1 spreader. So now before we start, just try to give a practice that how to make the smear, okay? And this is also clear your slide where we are going to make the blood smear, okay? So like this you practice. The edge we want to select correctly, which is give a smooth edge. So now my subject is ready. I am going to wipe the finger with the help of spirit, and before that we are going to give a gentle massage like this, okay? Once you have done gentle massage, wipe the finger which you have selected and don't blow it, just automatically the spirit get evaporate. And here first drop you have to wipe with the help of the dry cotton and keep it everything ready. So better you do one thing, you take a white sheet like this, on that you keep the slide so that you can able to see how nicely you are getting the optimum smear, okay? Now the spirit is evaporated. I am going to open the lancet. I am going to give a trick and wiping the first drop and giving the adequate blood for the smear. I will show you if it is extra blood is you kept, what to do. That also I will show you for you. If inadequate blood also if you keep, what we have to do, that also I will show you. So now you see, take this, first you keep in the middle, okay? Go backward. Once you have went, see the blood is spreading both edges, and then make a smear like this, okay? Same for other. Touch it, let them spread both edges and move towards forward like this. Again come backward, touch the blood, let it get spread both edges, and then go towards forward. Again you can see here, if the blood is extra, touch, let them spread both edges and lift it, and then make your smear, okay? It's very simple, only you require the practice. So here you can see everything coming evenly and correctly. This is single cell thickness adequate or optimum smear. So here you can see it is tongue shape. Everything you can compare, okay? So like this we have to prepare the smear, let it get dry, and after that we are going to make the staining process. Now the DLC smear is dry. I am going to stain them. So arrange in the slide racker, and I am going to take this Leishman stain, okay? So now you see carefully, don't pour directly on the smear, just where you started, from there you start. Count the drops, or if you are not counting, let it be. You have to cover this entire smear, okay? So last one is you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 drops I have poured. So double the amount of that we are going to pour distilled water. So how long we have to wait? We have to wait 1 to 2 minutes, okay? So just move like this slightly if you have experience, otherwise don't do anything. And when you pour the Leishman stain, you should not blow, you should not turn on the fan, otherwise what will happen? They will get dried off, okay? So monitor the time, 2 minutes, and then we will start pouring distilled water. So now 2 minutes over, we are going to pour the distilled water. This also slowly you pour double the amount of your stain. This also should cover the smear. Okay, so when you pour, that time you start your time also. Now it is 8 to 10 minutes. This last slide we have added 12 drop. Now double the amount. So count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So now, so if you have a dropper like this, you can do the mixing. Otherwise you take a blower and start blow it gently. If you don't have a blower, just if you have experience, just move the rack like this. Okay, this also will mix properly. Now that smear is properly staining. How to identify this? Green color oily surface you can get. This denoting that it is properly getting staining. With a proper interval you blow so that properly the smear get stained. And this process is called as ionization. Okay, and the purpose of this blowing is proper mixing of distilled water and the Leishman stain. Now what do you mean by ionization? Ionization means the particular Leishman stain get charged after pouring distilled water. Okay, in the fixation time the particular smear getting fixed into the smear. How? When you pour Leishman stain, the smear has a plasma protein. The plasma protein get precipitate. It acts as a glue. So after you pour the distilled water, the ionization process takes place. The total time duration is 8 to 10 minutes. In the particular time, we want to mix the distilled water and Leishman stain properly for proper staining. Blow proper interval. I told you that the grease surface you will get, you can see the grease color, so which is denoting what is getting properly stained. Okay, so this is the identification whether your process is proper or not. Okay, so now 8 minutes over. Now we are going to wash the slide. So remember, the tap water should run like this, not this much force, just it should run, and take the smear and the head part where we started, no, that is known as head part. Hold like this. The force of water should be in your thumb, that should wash out extra staining. Okay, very gently, slowly we have to wash it. So how I am doing, the same way you do, you get the proper ideal smear. So how long, sir, we have to wash? You will observe the color changes. It's going to turn into purplish pink color. So now you see, I will keep it for showing purpose. So you are getting purplish pink color. So now again keep it like this. Let the water get dry. Again the second one you take, hold it in the head part where you started the smear and rinse it. See the color changes, turn into purplish pink. Okay, if you want to know the difference, I will show you. See this color and see this color. This much thick or stain is too much is there, stain is completely washed. The last one, so let it dry. Meanwhile you wash your hand and arrange the microscope for counting. So before we are going to count, just take the smear and wipe it below. There should not be any water source. Gently you wipe below, not above. Wipe it and take that immersion oil. In our laboratory we are using cedarwood oil. So cedarwood oil, how to put? Just middle, one drop like this you pour. This is head part, this is body part, this is tail part. So now I am going to fix into the stage, mechanical stage. So diaphragm is fully open, turn into oil immersion, that is 100x. Now lift the stage upward, it should touch the objective lens. The oil should touch the objective lens, see. So objective and oil should touch like this. See, touched ho gaya. I hope you can see now. Now it is touched, okay. And now we are going to focus. So this is large lymphocyte and this is neutrophil. See the cytoplasm, see the nucleus, okay. Here you can see two neutrophils, one small lymphocyte, okay. Small lymphocyte, neutrophil. How to report? 7 o'clock position neutrophil, middle is small lymphocyte. So this is monocyte. See that size, compare with RBC, okay. So size is more, that is 8 to 20 micrometer in diameter, and that nucleus is kidney shaped. So like this we want to focus under oil immersion. So now I have completed my counting. See the square, we have to make the square like this, and whatever cell I have got, I have written the first letter, okay. N means neutrophil, L means lymphocyte. Either small lymphocyte, large lymphocyte you got, you have to report L only. Don't write SL, don't write LL. Both lymphocyte consider as a lymphocyte only. So L, M denoting monocyte, E denoting eosinophil. So till this entire 100 box I haven't got basophil. So basophil percentage is 0 to 1%. So if you're not getting, don't take tension. This is your reporting. So now I have completed my counting. So first thing is what? The stage should be lowermost, diaphragm partially closed, turn off the microscope, take the slide out and then rotate the objective lens, and which lens you have used, just gently you wipe and remove the oil and clean the stage, okay. And before leaving, report to the technician. Thank you so much.